You get it open?
Oh, okay. There's no cobras or anything.
No, it's just a...
Those go with the orange shirt.
I like that. Yeah, his favorite color. This is...
Are you stopping home first?
Mommy! What, babe?
Oh. Before you go to Litchfield?
Love you, Nene, baby. Enjoy.
You already have your shirt and everything? Oh, okay.
What do you say?
No touch.
Sit down, I'll hand them to you.
No.
No.
What? Where are these from?
You don't want to do
No, you got your chips on
No,
your plate.
no, they're fine. He wears both. Wait, the ones I bought for you. Wait, hold on.
Oh, thank you, dog.
I want one. Daddy! Look at how nice for the winter time.
Well, I figured nighttime at the campground.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Where's Dad? You want to sit down? He's chasing your dog. No, my sister has my dog. Maybe he went potty. We'll show him when he comes back. Hey, relax. The dog, no kids. Right? Where? Eat it?
Any kind of animal.
Sit down. No, take it out and give it to Dave. Grandma's right here. For me, Mom?
Oh, there's the camera.
I like how soft it is.
Oh, I have
what's that?
little Bobby's shirt.
What is that? Price Chopper tractor trailer. Oh, wow. Price Chopper? That's pretty cool.
It's a remote control.
Papa! Papa!
Nana and Papa.
Oh, cool.
Dad, the dog. Dave, look for the dog.
Yeah, no, it's right here. I got it.
Oh,
Yeah, she followed Ryan out.
All right, let me see. Oh, it is a remote control. I'm like, there's no remote control. Cool.